There is much talk about the need for virtues cultivation and virtues generation, and the need for developing the four great immeasurables, uh, Karuna and what's
Mudita,
first one is
Prem,
Prem, that is loving
loving
kindness,
kindness,
then
Karuna,
compassion, then
then joy,
joy, and also this
then
mudita,
Mudita,
appreciative um, appreciation without any bias or prejudice. Then also such upecha, skillful means. And my question is, why are only some limited number of virtues mentioned? In the Mariam Douglas Althusser tradition, she mentions 16 virtues and puts up posters of the virtues, which makes it easier to remember. Remember that there are so many virtues to be cultivated. So the question is, where to which text to go to for a complete list of virtues, how to practice them, and how to and what are the effective methods other than in guided meditation? What are the effective methods to practically generate virtue, to cultivate and generate virtues in a orderly manner as taught by the exalted evolved masters and the lamas and the buddhas and those who are closer in touch with the divine and higher forces? What are the actually methodologies for effective cultivation and generation of virtues? That's my question.
In fact, so this tells us the need for us to study more extensively. If we study more extensively in Abhidhamma Kosh, there's an endless list of virtues. Abhidhamma Kosh. Say 37 limbs of the path to enlightenment. 37 limbs. 37 were listed there. And then say 173 the wisdoms to be meditated in proper sequence by the bodhisattvas. They are all mentioned in Abhisamaya Alankara. And then you go to particularly Abhidhamma Kosh and Abhidharma Samuchaya. We see that there's a whole list of virtues, one after the other, endlessly many. So they are there. The only thing is that four immeasurables is just a part of it. Just a part of it. Now, how to cultivate? In actuality, virtues, as I mentioned earlier, as to what is the number of the mental factors, what is the number of the mental functions, is innumerable, is infinite. We can't possibly list all these mental functions. Likewise, how many virtues are there? How many kinds of virtues are there? The number is infinite. So now the best way is try to study as much as possible what these virtues are, and then in the actual event of the practice, there is what is known as the practice of bodhicitta, the wisdom, and the samadhi. Bodhicitta will help us achieve all the virtues in the form which is in the group of the method. And then the wisdom of emptiness will help us accumulate all the virtues belonging to the wisdom. And then the samadhi will accomplish all the virtues associated with the single point meditation to stabilize wisdom and bodhicitta. In terms of the practice, these are the three things to be emphasized on.